Hello again. Today I'm going to talk to you about contrasting link words. Compound and complex sentences are much more impressive in both your written and spoken English. So here's a list of contrasting linking words. But, however. But is more informal than however. You can use however at the beginning of a sentence, but you can't use but at the beginning of a sentence in written English. You do tend to hear people using it when they speak. Here are some examples. I tried to call him, but his line was engaged. I tried to call him. However, his line was engaged. Next example. Although and even though. These linking words are the same. They are both followed by a subject and verb. Here's some examples. Although I've stopped smoking, I still have a bad cough. Even though I've stopped smoking, I still have a bad cough. Next up is despite and in spite of. These linking words are the same, and they're followed by a noun or a gerund, that is an ing word. Here's an example. My train arrived on time despite the delay caused by debris on the train tracks. My train arrived on time in spite of being delayed by debris on the train tracks. We can use these two words with the words the fact that. These phrases are followed by a subject and a verb. Here's some examples. They decided to go for a walk in spite of the fact that it was raining. Despite the fact it was raining, they still went for a walk. My next example is while, whereas, and unlike. These linking words are used to make contrasts. While and whereas are usually used between two complete phrases. Unlike is typically used with only a subject. Here's some examples. She loves pasta, while her husband prefers spicy food. This mobile phone costs 30 pence a minute, whereas the one with a contract gives you unlimited free calls. Your apartment has 2 bathrooms, unlike mine, which only has 1. My mother is very generous, unlike my father. Now, try and select the most appropriate contrast linking word in the sentences you will see on the screen. We will give you the answers shortly.
Number 1. Most of North Sudan is suffering from flooding. Conversely, contrary to, on the other hand, South Sudan is experiencing the worst drought in decades. The correct answer is conversely. Number 2. 20 years ago, almost everyone bought CDs, whereas, even though, while. Nowadays, people tend to download their music. The correct answer is whereas. Number 3. In spite of the fact that, in contrast, though. The number of people infected is dropping, it is still advisable to wear a mask. The best answer is though. We can also use in spite of the fact that. but though is more natural. Number 4. Whereas, although, however. Many shops remain shut in the UK. Many outlets are now open for business in Greece. The correct answer is whereas. Number 5. It is illegal to use your mobile phone while driving, even though, despite this, in contrast. Many drivers continue to make calls at the wheel. The correct answer is despite this.
Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Don't forget to pass it on, place a like, and turn on your notifications.